हेलो, वेलकम टू कैन स्टडीज। CAPF AC 2021 का जो पेपर 2 है। देखो, हिंदी माध्यम वालों के लिए ऑलरेडी हमने बता दिया था और मैं पहले भी बता चुका हूँ। इंग्लिश वाले के लिए स्पेशल मैंने नहीं बताया था। मैं इसमें बता रहा हूँ कि जो इंग्लिश मीडियम का है तो उसका बैच जो है वो स्टार्ट आपका 2 जनवरी से हो रहा है। ठीक है, 2 जनवरी 2021 से। तो उसमें भी देखो, चीजें सेम है, ये सिर्फ लैंग्वेज का डिफरेंस है कि आपका ये इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में है और वो हिंदी माध्यम में। लेकिन देखो, हम जब देखते हैं हिंदी हो या इंग्लिश हो, वट एवर द थिंग्स, तो उसमें आपका जो क्या होता है कि 120 मार्क्स जो है, 120 मार्क्स, तो 120 मार्क्स इज कॉमन। कॉमन मीन्स बोथ, either whether you are English medium or you are Hindi medium, so you will write in English only. But for English medium, obviously you should you will write complete 200 marks in English only. So for English medium, batch starts from 2nd January 2021 and ends on 31st May 2021. Means you can say कि by 31st May 2021, before that also, but till date at least your batch will be finished. Fee same situation, I'm giving equal opportunity to both Hindi medium as well as English medium. Since Hindi medium, I'm starting from 15th of December only, but English medium I'm starting from 2nd January. So the period of discount is different for both batches. So here, if you are paying till 15th of December, you have to pay just 6,000. After 15th December till 2nd of January, you have to pay 8,000. And after 2nd January, means after 2nd January when batch starts, means till 2nd of January, if you are paying, then you have to pay 8,000. After 2nd of January, once batch completed commences, you have to pay 10,000 for the same thing. See, the things ki you will not say ki today is 13th of December and I am saying today only. No, I already communicated in November itself. In November itself, that I will start English medium batch from 2nd of January. Here, same thing, package is same for Hindi medium as well as English medium. Here, package includes a second paper complete syllabus. Syllabus you are knowing. In syllabus, you have in next slide. I will write in blank slide. I will write all thing. So second paper complete syllabus plus 20 topic feedback. 20 topic feedback in the sense ki I am not discussing only 20 topics. I am discussing more topics, but I will give as a homework ki write on this topic, and after writing the topic you will send to me. You will send me and I will check the topic and I'll call you ki hey, here in this topic you have written this, you should consider more dimensions or you should eliminate this part so that you can get more marks. So in 20 topics I'll provide you feedback related to your writing and what improvements you should do. And in after completing the course, actually before completing the course I will start, but mainly you will take advantage after completing a full syllabus. You will write full length test, so 5 full length test with feedback. I will provide feedback of all the test. So this all is package including test and your topics feedback. See, the things ki I'm saying ki here in 20 topics I will guide individual candidates, and 5 full length test I will guide individual candidate. So that is the main reason I am charging more money. But if your early birds offer is very good, if you are taking admission till 15th of December already, this is not the things ki I am saying it today only. I communicated it in November itself. So those who are aware, those who are taking early, so they will get advantage. Those who are taking course of action later, then they have to pay more. So in the second paper, regarding syllabus and all, I already told you कि you will, in Hindi madhyam said कि approx 50 minutes lecture, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday means in week 5 lectures, maybe due to some urgent work, maybe in some day I will not be able to deliver the lecture, so then I will communicate you, and I will complete 5 lecture in week. Maybe not someday, suppose Friday I am suppose out of town, or I am on journey, then I will provide that on Saturday, Sunday, whatever. But in week you will have 5 lectures, approx 50 minutes. You will go through all the lectures, and after that I will give a homework, means homework one topic. That one topic you will write, and you, after writing, you will send me, and after I'll receive, I'll evaluate whatever you have written. After that I'll call you with appropriate time, I'll assign you key at that time I'll call you, and I will tell you about that. So 50 minutes lecture. See the things ki you have 4 essay, you have 4 essay, 2 argument, 2 report, 2 argument, 2 report, 4 essay, 1 RC reading comprehension, 1 Prezi, and plus grammar. So I will consider all those equally. I will give according to the weightage. Suppose this component has 80 marks weightage, so you will get more attention here. Argument writing and report writing. See, you people are from English yeah, medium batch. So in English medium batch there is more coherence between these topics. Among these topics means argument writing, essay, as well as report writing. So in holistic way I will deal the things in holistic way. Obviously in Hindi medium there is problem ki a person is thinking in essay in Hindi, and argument as well as report he or she will write in English. So there is a little slight difference in Hindi medium candidate, but for English medium candidate there is not that much difference. So you will see the things in holistic way. But before that, first I will consider grammar part. I know कि many candidates, English medium candidates, you are already knowing the grammar, but still it's my duty as well as it's a part of course कि I will consider all those aspects which are asked in the examination. This will help even if many candidates are writing in English medium, there is some grammatical mistakes, you are not understanding something. So I will consider all parts. So first of all, I will consider basics grammar. Actually, first I will first day when course will commence, I will give you flow chart. Means I will give you detailed schedule. Ki approx how many hours I will take, how many lectures I will take in which part. So after that, I will consider basic grammar. After that, the things previous year question paper and all other components I will discuss. So these all will going. I'll complete whole syllabus, ठीक है? I'll complete whole syllabus, and within the time I'm knowing the things ki how questions are asked. There is no uncertainty here. There are certain fixed pattern of questions. These are asked in the examination. So I will consider all those. If you have any questions, query, so you can ask in the comment box. But if you have any related personal question regarding batch, other payments and all aspects, so you can contact me in this number, WhatsApp number. Okay, WhatsApp number 8527146498, as well as you can contact me in Telegram number 7404909669. In exceptional cases you can call, but it's better ki before calling just you message me, I will assign you time. Okay, thank you.